breathe about anywhere?
She's on vacation.
Right. Oh, when the hell's my horn? 3-4, Druid.
Sorry to disturb you, Rango, but
what?
Come over here.
Huh?
I got
Something to show you. What, me, sorry? Resident! No!
Come down, this is one the fish.
When the fish? When the fish?
Yeah, but
It's been with me since I got stranded here. Do you hear me? Stranded!
sorry, Rango.
What am I gonna do without Mr. Timms?
I'm not sure. Everyone,
Huh?
bad news.
Huh? Oh, no! Come, we must find him. Where are we going?
Rattlesnake Jake.
Okay. The Rattlesnake Jake in there!
I'll see you one more time in this town now. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oink! Ah! Help!
Stop right there.
Oh,
What makes you think you can come in here and hurt everyone?
oh,
You know? Trying to shoot him and all?
just like I'm gonna do you.
Huh?
Fine.
I got an idea. Okay, girl. On the count of 3. Jump. Okay, good.
What are you talking about?
To that horse
Of yours.
sound that you don't need to know. 1,
2,
3.
Huh?
No! Huh? 4.
are you alright?
Good.